Matangkad, mistiso, at English kung magsalita. Bitbit ang kanyang backpack, palakad-lakad lang siya kung saan-saan. Nang mapadpad sa waiting shed, naupo at nagbasa ng aklat. Pagsapit ng gabi, diyan na rin siya matutulog o kung saan man pwede. Malayo ang sitwasyon ng 56 years old na si Larry Lee Baker sa pangkaraniwang dayuhan sa Pilipinas.
It's just the bad luck in the way things went. It's just my wife got sick, the hospital bill, and then the client pulling out.
Sa Pilipinas, pinanganak si Larry. Pero French ang kanyang tatay. Dahil US Navy ang kanyang ama, sa Amerika na siya lumaki.
I was actually born in Subic Bay. My father was a first lieutenant of the US Navy. My mother was actually a surgical nurse, and they worked in Subic Bay in Subic. After 2 days after I was born, my father got transferred orders to Guam, and then my father went back to his hometown in Johnsville, Ohio. So I actually grew up in Marion, Ohio.
Nang makapagtapos siya ng pag-aaral, napunta siya sa iba't ibang bansa, kabilang dito sa Pilipinas. Dito na rin niya nakilala ang babaeng bumihag sa kanyang puso.
I actually am in IT. I got into lead programmer's position for Stockholm out of Columbus, Ohio. My main function was going to other countries doing hardware and software for other countries. That's how I actually met my wife. She was actually working in the Bacolod as a secretary to help put herself to school.
Noong panahon na yon, pumanaw ng mga magulang ni Larry. Kaya minabuti na rin niyang sa Pilipinas lumaki sa tahimik, kasamang kanyang Pinay na asawa. Bagamat hindi sila binayayaan ng anak, iyon daw ang pinakamasayang 2 dekada ng buhay ni Larry. Pero nito lang nakaraang taon, biglang dinapuan ng matinding karamdaman ng kanyang asawa.
My wife actually developed anemia. It's a blood disorder where your potassium drops, and she fought with it for quite a while. And she spent, I think, almost 3 or 4 weeks in ICU, and that was the bill on that was $500,000, and that just completely wiped out my savings.
Sa kabila ng lahat ng ginastos ni Larry para gumaling ang asawa, hindi nito kinayang gamutan at tuluyang binawian ng buhay nitong December 2024. Said na ang bulsa niya, kaya nagdesisyon siyang magpatuloy na lamang sa buhay at isubsob ang sarili sa trabaho. Subalit, may masamang balita pang dumating.
And then I was working with the call centers then, but the client pulled out the account, so they dissolved the account, so no work. And that right on top of me cleaning out my savings account got me into this situation.
Nang dumating ang bill para sa renta ng kanyang bahay, wala na siyang may pangbayad. Dahil dito, sinukbit na lamang niya ang kanyang itim na backpack at nagpalaboy-laboy na sa kalsada.